Would it kill you to shake off before you come in the trailer? Dude, what are you doing in there? I told you to shut the door. Are you squatching in my bathroom? Get out of there! Hey everybody, Rick here with RVs of America, and today I'm here with the Pause X22.4. This is the ROA-exclusive edition. I want to show you some unique camping essentials. These upgrades can be added to really any of our trailers, and just wanted to show you these, so let's get into it. Let's go in and check out the first camping essential you're going to need. So this is our first little upgrade that we're doing, and it is definitely an essential when you're camping. There's nothing worse than coming in your trailer and taking your shoes and socks off and walking around and having... Don't even think about it. So the nice thing about this broom is it's got 3 different positions. So it's very functional for anything from cleaning up small messes. It will extend, can also be very effective in fending off outside predators. So the next essential I want to show you is an ROA favorite. It's our reinforced screen door. The nice thing about this screen is it keeps your pets in and unwanted visitors out. Get out of here! So if the reinforced screen doesn't keep those predators out, it's always good to have a backup plan. Follow me and I'll show you the next upgrade. So I like to keep a weapon with me at all times. Here we have a biometric safe that you can keep your weapon or your valuables in. What's this? Sasquatch spray. Let's give it a shot. There he is. Get out of here. Go on. Oh man, I'm sorry. I did not mean to blind you. I was just trying to get you away from the trailer. Let me come out and help you out, see what I can do to make you better. So our next essential, and it is probably the most essential, is a first aid kit. You want to have one of these anytime you go camping. You never know if you're going to hurt yourself or hurt something on the outside. Follow me. Let's see if we can help this guy out. All right, quit being a baby and just put your hands down. Let me see if I can help you out here. Just be still. We'll get you all taken care of, and you'll be good as new. So you never know when you're going to have an emergency and need to have a first aid kit on hand. Always want to make sure you're taking care of yourself and any campers that you have with you. The nice thing about this kit, it's portable too. You can take it on hikes. You can take it anywhere you want to go. So just to recap our favorite essentials, today I showed you the broom, the reinforced screen door, the gun safe, and the first aid kit. If you're interested in any of these upgrades on Pause or an MDC, please feel free to reach out to any of the experience centers in Utah, South Carolina, and Colorado. So thanks for watching, and we'll be coming to you again with more essentials on this trailer and others. So if you like this video, please feel free to check out any of these and let us know if there's any modifications that you're interested in.